Hello friends, today I'll be taking you to Dubai safari trip. Prior to start this video, I would appreciate you to like, share and subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon so that you'll be not missing my upcoming videos. I will leave you to experience the video.
competition. Let's bring out the contenders.
Alright. Okay, well on my side, I have Michael together with trainer Teresa.
And on this side, I have Oscar together with trainer Damon.
Okay, now let's see who will segregate this rubbish faster, right? Now, but I will be needing your help. Can you shout for Michael's name for me? Just a little bit of encouragement, alright? Michael, okay?
Hey, that's not fair. Can you guys cheer for Oscar as loud as you can?
Michael, you better be ready. Now, are you guys ready? Hey, ready? Yeah. Okay, now ready, set, go! That is right. Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, they are taking the spots for use as pets and attractions, mainly because they are the smallest species of otters. Well, in fact, they are being used as domestic pets in otter cafes, where wild otters are interacting with paid popcorn. Here comes another one.
Well, otters cannot stay on land alone. Do you want to know why? Well, mainly because, Harry? Okay, let me try it again. Harry! Okay, I think Harry would like to stay there. Well, upland hornbills, also known as white hornbills, they are endemic in eastern Indonesia and in Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands. They are
The raccoons, or the shiny trash cans on the streets are an easy target for raccoons. Well, you know what? They have learned that their food doesn't have to move around like frogs or rodents. They just have to sit still and wait for their food to come.
But people don't like rubbish to be messy. So what happens next is they shoot them or poison them. Although raccoons can find food inside a trash bin rodent. So imagine
No way that it's affecting this next species. Let's all welcome on stage our griffin vulture. Take a look at this one. All right. Now, Madeline, the stage is yours. Well done. Alright, now vultures are scavengers, and that means that they feed on dead and decaying animals. So, if they fed on a poisoned animal, that means they will die after.
vultures, they are very important in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. They are keystone species because they help clean up the environment by scavenging on the dead animals' carcasses lying on the ground. So once again, let's give it up for Matt.
Alright, now you know what? Okay, now you know what guys, considering that they are the heaviest flying birds in the world, we might think that they're not affected, but no, we're totally wrong. In fact, overfishing and water pollution are just one of the many threats in the wild. And great white pelicans, they're just one of the many victims.
Well, these giant birds, they are opportunistic feeders. So that means their diet don't stick to only one thing. So when they're not, wow! So on behalf of our Alma friends and trainers, Dave and myself, we would like to thank you for joining us here today.
Now, if you want to enjoy the show, remember that you guys are having a great day only here at Dubai Safari. Goodbye, everyone.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy visit. Thank you.